discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Tell me first what you got and your name.
Alex, I got 4 DD Z3 15s on 2 M5As for now. Later I'll go and redo my battery bank. 4 M5As half full, 1 push up.
Did you build this?
Yeah.
Very nice. What's your box spec? Do you know that?
Just tuned to like 34, 35 volts.
Okay. All right. Did you ever meter it?
Not since I did the box.
All right.
One of your omelets. Can't go with other goals.
She's the vicious, texting her and asking her if she alone assist. Get some pictures, she said, goddamn. Over and see it for yourself. We're asking for your help. Pay it for yourself.
Dude, that's pretty good for a no wall, man. Thank you for the the demo.
Yeah, no problem.
Nice to meet you. Is there a way I can see the port real quick?
See what?
The port?
No, hatch don't open.
They don't? Oh.
I gotta fix it.
Base broke? Okay, don't worry about it. Hey, thanks for the demo. Have a good day. Sounds really good.
But I'm Gerald, and I can always have just what I want. She's the baddest, I would love to flaunt. Take a shot, but you know he's Saint Laurent. But no, she ain't with it though, because she got her own dough. Boss, if you don't know, she can never ever be. Don't try to change me in any way. Honestly, for the bitch, she's the best. Vicious texting her and asking her if she's alone. Some pictures, she said, goddamn. First, it for yourself, or asking for your help, and for yourself. She's the baddest, I would love to flaunt. Take a shot, but you know he's Saint Laurent. But no, she ain't with it though, because she got her own dough. Boss, if you don't know, she can never ever be. Don't try to change me in any way.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.